It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time.
Welcome back to another video. This one is all about cleaning. Okay, so spoiler alert, this video is actually all about laundry because that's the only thing I got to tackle in this video. I did not have a chance to do anything except the laundry. We are not going to be cleaning anything else, but hopefully you get some laundry motivation while we wash, dry, fold, and put away. My house is terrible right now. Don't judge me, but we about to take care of it. So let's jump right in. We don't have time to waste. So the first task I need to tackle is laundry. All of this laundry is clean. Everything that's on the floor is clean. Everything that's on my bed is clean. This stuff used to be in here, but every time somebody needs to find something to wear, they go into this basket and it ends up on the floor. So today we're going to take care of all of this. So I like my kids' stuff folded a certain way because y'all know that I redid their closets. So now that they have closet organization, I like to fold it so that it looks nice in those like mesh drawers. I'll link the video of us redoing their closets so y'all can see what I'm talking about if you are new or you just haven't seen that video. When it comes to my stuff, I don't fold it. I don't have a specific technique for folding my stuff because I don't have closet organization. So I don't really care. Like, I'm not tripping about how my stuff looks in my closet until I get my closet done. And then I'll care a lot more once I do that. And then the stuff that needs to be hung up, I will create a pile for each person. This is Kane's pile. He has some pants, sweatshirts, and like sweatpants. So everything I plan on hanging up always goes into a pile. And then when it comes to my shirts, I fold them in half, fold the arms in, and then whoop, fold it 3 times. Or I fold it up twice, which creates like a 3-fold, like that. So when it comes to the kids stuff, I always have it facing me. And then I fold it backwards like this to create this little thing here. So that's what it should look like. And then I fold it up and down. And then I fold that in half. And that creates this. So what happens is when you get these 2 little parts here, it kind of creates like legs for whatever it is to stand on. So then I stick it into the drawer like this. And then I can just like have them lined up and I can slide it in and out. And then when I stack them, I always have the bottom or the legs going one way and then I have the tops going a different way. It makes it so easy for you to see what you have at a glance. And I just love that. So I do this with all of their clothes because they all have the same closet systems. And I just like the way it looks when it's like neatly organized and it just looks nice. If you have a bigger shirt, you can do 2 folds at the bottom or at the top. Doesn't matter. And then fold it over like that and you still get the 3. So that's how I do it. When it comes to shorts, I fold them in half and I do the exact same thing. Fold it up on one side, fold it down on the other, and then create the legs. For underwear, I fold it up one time and then I roll. Well, actually, I fold it in on the side like that and then I start rolling. And then this is how they'll go into the drawer, side by side, and then you can also kind of stack them on top of each other. And that just makes it like super neat, easy to see, and I just love this method of folding underwear. For towels, I do the same thing. I just fold it in one time and then I fold it in again on the other side to create like 3 sections. Then I take the bottom, bring it up to the top. So it'll look like this. And then I fold this in half. And this is what it looks like. but I stick it into, when I put it into the linen closet, this is what you'll see, because this is the side that'll be on the out, and this is the side that'll be facing the wall. Okay, so my closet, like I said, is not organized. So I don't really care. Like, I'm not really pressed for things to look a certain way in here. But I do try to slightly organize it, meaning that I will group things together. So like workout pants and workout shorts, I will put those in a pile together. Shirts, I'll put those in a pile. Sweatshirts will go into their own pile if they're not hung up, which mostly they're not. So yeah, I do like categorize my closet, even though I don't organize it the way I organize my kids, because I just do a different level of organization when it comes to their stuff, because they have the infrastructure for it. Whereas like in my closet, I can only fold things like this and have them stacked this way, because there's no way from there are no drawers, so there's no way for me to reach in and grab something that way. So yeah, either I can hang everything up, or I can fold it and put it into the shelving system that I have in my closet. And I'm not hanging everything up. I don't even have enough hangers to hang everything up, so very little actually gets hung in my closet. I do plan to have my closet done at some point, but I already know it's gonna be super expensive, so I'm not in a rush to do it. I've been looking at, or like my dream closet is from Container Store, and y'all already know everything there is expensive. So yeah, I'm not in a rush. I just make do with what I have for now, and when that time comes for me to upgrade my closet system, either I will save up to get the Container Store closet, or maybe I'll find something at IKEA or something that's like still looks really nice, but it's more affordable. But we'll see, because it's not even something that's really like on my radar right now. And then on this shelf, I have all my shirts, and my sweatshirts I'm gonna put right here. Okay, so here's what I ended up with. These are pajama shorts, pajama shirts, shirts that I would like wear to work, or if I'm going out somewhere, shirts that I would only wear to work out or run errands in. And these are like tank tops and crop tops. Then I have socks, underwear, which I have more in my room, but I need to bring them in here. They're on my bed. I haven't brought them into the closet yet. Bras, which I still have more of those in there too. Jeans, workout pants, sweatpants, more jeans, workout shirts, and sweatshirts.
But that, and so I'm glad you brought that up because I feel like you put the song out and then you just kind of went back to.
I'm gonna
Can you pick up your ballerina?
yes, I got one pink ballerina for you. I'll pick up jump. I'm crazy. Guys, don't mind that sound. It was my mom.
Actually, this can go in the Goodwill pile. Yeah, put this in that pile at the foot of my bed on my side. And this.
What? In my sweatshirt. These are two of my favorite things.
That one is getting too small too. You might want to let's donate that one too.
I don't want that enemies. Feeling still my size.
Give it to me.
And I'm keeping this one here too.